my channel. If you've been here before, if this is your first time here, welcome. My name's Aga Tompkins and I'm a hairstylist, makeup artist, and I brought today my Baby Yoda, Mandalorian, Star Wars, Colourpop, Disney palette for you guys to check out. I know a lot of people already did looks with this, but I figured I would do a bit of a Christmassy look because it's green and obviously you can tell it's a total Christmas vibe. All you gotta do is, you know, accessorize and then it's easily Christmas. It has golds, it has greens, it's perfect. So hope you guys enjoy this video, see what I did, check it out. So I'm gonna start with this baby face color and just kind of put it in my crease. These colors are so pigmented. It's beautiful. I went with the brighter green just to make it pop a little more, since the greens we're using are a little bit darker. Now blend that out a little bit. You know what's the worst? So I just did a rainbow look and all my brushes are still dirty. So the last video I filmed that you'll see, I actually filmed the same day as this one, behind the scenes secrets. So that video I did in the morning before I showered, and then I took a shower, whatever, and round two. So that's like, this is what my day is consisting of, because there's so many days that all my kids are here and stuff like that, so it's a lot harder for me to record. So I'm just using today, a day with no children, to record multiple videos so I have more content for you guys. And so I didn't wash all my brushes and I don't have as many brushes, so I'm kind of like, I mean, I have a million brushes, but all my favorites are currently red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. So now I'm gonna use Float Your Crib. And I'm kind of packing this baby in the corner here a little bit, like that. I'm gonna blend that a little bit out into the baby face color. This palette is perfect for Christmas. If it's not too late, you should order it. I just did a giveaway on my Instagram for this baby. So if you guys want giveaways, go check out my Instagram. I do a lot of giveaways on there. I'm actually doing a giveaway on YouTube right now too for the last video that I posted. So if you're in the mood to be winning some stuff, go check out that video. Oh, I've needed these kind of greens forever. I'm so glad I got this palette. Gosh, I can't decide what to do next because there's so many pretty shimmer colors and all of them work for the holidays. So I'm just gonna start with highlighting my brow bone with this Precious Cargo color, which is like the super light one, and I'm just gonna pop that right in the point of my brow here. That way if like the light hits it or anything, it'll reflect. And I'll add it to my inner corner. Cool, so now I gotta make a big decision. Do I do right hand Mondo or the Force? I don't know. Do I need gold or like a silvery color? Or there's Sipping Soup, which is a green, cute color. I could use that on the bottom. I think I'm gonna do right hand Mondo, the silver color. Let's see what happens. I have so many brushes, I don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's see here. that's so pretty. Yeah, this is an amazing palette for like an everyday look. These colors are not too wild. I feel like anybody could rock these any day. Even if you're like a browns person, I say get this palette. This palette it has brown as well, so I can't wait to do a look with that as well. But man, they are really, I feel like they'll complement almost anything the same way brown does. So yeah, definitely don't be shy to wear these colors. I'm just packing in a little more of that darker green in the corners here. All right, and now I'm gonna use, what if I just use all the greens in this palette? I'm gonna use a little frog on the bottom, this color. I mean, they're all green and I am going for Christmas, so I don't think it's bad. I think it's cool. It's looking good to me. It's a different tone, but it looks still nice. It's a mood. I like it. I think that's my problem, is when I get palettes, I wanna, oh my God, I think this one has glitters in it. I didn't even see. It looked matte, but it has tiny speckles inside of it. It's like a surprise. Okay, and on the outer corner, I'm gonna do that darkest green again out here, just to kind of tie them together. I feel like this is the palette I'm gonna use on actual Christmas Day for my makeup look. I might wear this hat too, because I like fun, you know, and my family knows that. All right, and now I'm going to do the little shimmery green sipping soup. I'm gonna use a little bit of this and do in the center here. So it's cool, like my top eye is super ashy greens and my under eye is like kind of warmer greens. It's fun to see them all together. Although I feel like maybe on Christmas, oh, I don't know. I don't even know what I'll do, but I love these colors. I'm excited to try this brown too, because I like that brown. I actually think I'm gonna do a little bit of that sipping soup, which is the green. I'm just gonna add it in the center here to kind of tie both colors together. Yeah. Gosh, now I feel like I need to add that gold color, which would mean I've used every color on this palette in one look except for the two brown colors. I don't know, am I doing too much? Is this too much? I can't help it, it's happening. I'm gonna use a little bit of setting spray on this, just so it can stick a little bit. So this is the gold. The Force, I gotta add the Force. I mean, how can I not? I'm just gonna add a little bit. It's a golden sparkle. And I'm just adding it to the very center. I might add a little, I'm adding a little to the bottom too. But like all line. Well, don't say I didn't use all of them. I literally used every color except for these two. But I feel like they all complement each other so much that it doesn't even matter. I'm just gonna go around the top here just to blend this in for me putting that gold. I'm just gonna add some liner and lashes and I will see you guys right back. And voila! Lashes on, liner on. I decided to add these two little dots, which I do a lot with different makeup looks I do. They're not Star Wars exactly, obviously, but I figured it would add a little flair to the look. And yeah, I love this palette. I think it's really pretty. The colors are amazing. I can't wait to do more with it, to be honest. I can't wait to try the browns. I'll do a video doing that, but I figured I would show you guys a fun Christmas look. I added a little bit of a orangey or brown or red lip because they're not as bright of colors, so I thought like the dullness went together. Yeah, I hope you guys like my hat. My friend Amanda gave it to me. You guys should check her out. She's a gardening author and she has an awesome book called Kiss My Aster, which is awesome. It's a great Christmas gift, so check her out. Her book's on Amazon, and it's a good Christmas idea for, you know, anybody that loves gardening and is a little punk rock, I don't know, or likes fun or is cool and hip, because obviously, as you could tell by the name, Kiss My Aster, this book's not any gardening book. It's a cool gardening book, like for cool moms, you know. And I definitely recommend this palette, 100%, love it. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for coming to join me again. And you guys have no idea how much your support means to me. I know I keep saying it now, but like honestly, I can't believe that in 5 months, I've gotten this much support from my friends and just all kinds of people that I would have never known. And I appreciate all of you spending the time checking out my videos. Hopefully this is getting you through this, through the quarantine, and you're enjoying this fun time. So yeah, that's the look. And if you guys are enjoying my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It definitely helps me out, boosts my videos up so other people can find me. And I really appreciate all of you that have been commenting and whatever. Also, don't forget to check out that giveaway I'm doing on the last video I did. Good luck, everybody. Somebody lucky will win. Bye, guys.